Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Picsart. So if you want to blur your photo background, just follow this step and watch this video until the end. So open your Picsart app first, and then you just need to click on the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to edit. So I'm going to choose this, and I want to blur the background of this photo. So just go to the effects menu at the bottom, and then you can see the blur effect here, and then choose the facial zoom. So just like that, place the zoom into the part of your face, and then you can also adjust the blur just like this, and you can also adjust the size and the hardness of the blur and the fade effect. Okay, so just like that, and when you're done, just click on the plus and the check icon and click on this to save the result. Okay, so that is how you can blur your background photo in Picsart. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.